In today's fast-moving financial world, staying ahead requires expertise, agility, and a global perspective. At SKEMA Business School, our MSc in Financial Markets and Investments is designed to shape the future leaders of finance. Our program offers a market-driven, hands-on approach, providing deep insights into trading, risk management, investment banking, asset management, and sustainable finance. Ranked among the Financial Times top 3 worldwide, with a highly international class, courses taught by industry experts, and access to Bloomberg terminals, students develop the skills to make an immediate impact in their careers. Choose from 5 specialized tracks across our global campuses: Trading and Portfolio Management in Sophia Antipolis, Investment Banking and Asset Management in Paris, Financial Analysis and CFA Preparation in Raleigh, USA. Join a powerful network of alumni working in top financial institutions worldwide. Start your journey with SKEMA's MSc in Financial Markets and Investments and shape the future of finance.